Okay, you guys, yeah, that doesn't look good, does it? Anyway, yesterday I came out to go get some coffee and battery was dead. Wouldn't start. Be right back. Yeah, so that happened yesterday morning. I was able to get it started with my my Duracell Power Pack 1100. That thing has come in so handy over the past 3 years that I've had that, and not even so much for me, but you know, I carry it with me when I travel, and I've helped other people. You know, it's got, you know, I charge my phones with it. You know, it's got AC plug-ins, you know, USB, and it's a tremendous jump starter. But it's also got a air compressor, so I've topped off my tires before too. But you know, thankfully I had that. I was able to start it, and I went down yesterday afternoon to the other town here, picked up battery. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Going to be changing the battery out in this. I don't know if you guys see a battery in here? Well, here, let me get this out of here. Oh, well, for one thing, here. This is the negative terminal. This is a positive terminal where you would jump start it from. There's no battery in this engine compartment. You know where the battery is? Underneath the passenger seat. So yeah, let's get that battery changed out. Yeah, I got this battery at O'Reilly's. I wanted to get it at a you know, a nationwide auto parts store, just so I'd be able to, if I needed the warranty, you know, pretty much anywhere in the country I could get that battery swapped out. So now let's get going here. Okay, what we got to do, and you can kind of see here, this little panel is going to have to come off, but we do that from the back. Get this seat moved all the way up, as far as it'll go. Much room as possible. Okay. We'll get you out of the way. Alright, hopefully there's plenty of light in so you guys can see here. These are the clips, which right here, and then two up at the front. Okay, so there's the two battery cables are going to be 10 millimeter, and then there is this kind of cleat down here. That is, you need a deep socket with a 13 millimeter with an extension. So let me grab that stuff. I'll be darned, that thing's loose. Wow. That was loose already. Crazy. Okay. I want to take off this vent hose here. Let's see. This is where I need the wiry agility that I had 25, 30 years ago. That must be where it is. Yeah, you don't need to take the nut all the way off, just loosen it. Come on, come to daddy. There you go. You guys have to check out my Patreon account. I've got my first Patreon video that I'm gonna, for my Patreons. I'm gonna do more personal videos, showing more of a personal side of me, our simple adventures, my family, some of my views and all that stuff. So yeah, this is my son Zach's tools, because I'm in Iowa. I came up from Arizona. I didn't bring hardly any tools with me. Oh. Okay, I'm getting this cleat. That cleat's going to come off down there. We should be able to work that battery out. But yeah, Zach is the one that flew down to Phoenix and helped me do the transmission in the 06, the WK Black Jeep, last spring. So yeah, he's handy. All my boys are handy. Got 3 sons. If you want to meet those guys a little more in depth. Definitely consider being a Patreon. Most of you know my goal is to go full-time RVing, our simple adventures. Still work on everything myself, so you mechanical people will still get plenty of that, but you're gonna be able to see some other cool stuff too. This battery, this is 15, and this is the original Chrysler battery, so it actually lasted really well. 60,000 miles and 5 years. Most of those miles in Phoenix. Okay, that cleat, that's that cleat. Now, I'm going to move you guys back here a little bit. I think this thing is 65, 70 pounds. Come on, come on. Alright, there we go. Go over there. Okay, you can, I always try to compare anything when I'm swapping something out. Yeah, there was 2 batteries, like a Group 94 and a Group 49. This was the Group 94, the original. So yeah, here's Group 94. This one is 700 cranking amps. This one is 800 cranking amps, which was fine with me. But I need to take these off. Looks like that is the vent for the vent hose. So, okay, we're ready to go back in with this. And I'm going to go ahead and put battery cables on first, just to make sure it's good battery before I put that cleat on again. I did not know this battery was underneath the passenger seat until yesterday morning when I was looking for it under the hood. Yeah, I've had this thing for 2 years and been under the hood, but I guess I just never needed to look for the battery. Never needed to disconnect it. Did you hear my dash cam come on up there? That means we got power. Okay, I'm going to start this just real quick too. Oh yeah, 800 cold cranking amps. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, let's get this cleat back on. Well, my phone's blowing up, isn't it? Okay, here's the vent hose. Make sure we get that back in there. And if you guys notice, but this is the an AGM battery, which is the first vehicle I've ever owned with the, AGM rather than a lead-based, which I believe it is lead-based. It's just that it's a oh, was it something glass matte, which the next step up from this would be a lithium. So alright, yeah, there's no cleat on the front of that, so and that's not going to slide back and forth. Well, 10 millimeters are tight. Okay, guys, let's there we go. And we are down. All right, mission accomplished again, guys. Yeah, the dealer would have wanted probably another 150 bucks for that battery, and probably another 100 bucks to install it. So probably 400 or 500 bucks. So you guys do this stuff yourselves. Yeah, save money. So anyway, hey, appreciate every single one of you guys. Check this out. These things are worth their weight in gold. Get one, put it in your trunk, put it in your the back of your SUV or your pickup. Strap it down, keep it charged up. Those things are great. And check my Amazon link in the description for that. So, and also for my Patreon account. And also I'm affiliate for eManualonline.com, which is a great resource for any kind of vehicle you have. They have a parts manual and or a how-to repair manual. So yeah, appreciate you guys. Love each and every one of you. I think I'm going to be in Iowa here another week or so. Hopefully no more issues, but I guess we'll film it if there is. So God bless. Appreciate every single one of you guys, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks.